This file extension has two primary types. This could be a specialized backup or a game file. A header check in Notepad is required to identify the software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's investigate. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated high-value WBF file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. A WBF file is a Windows batch file containing a series of plain text commands for the cmd.exe interpreter. It is used to automate repetitive system tasks, manipulate files, and execute programs. The format supports control flow statements like if and for to allow for conditional execution and complex looping scripts in Windows. WBF files consist of plain text commands, each on a separate line. These commands can include built-in commands like echo, copy, del, mkdir, and rmdir, as well as calls to external programs and scripts. Control flow statements like if, for, and goto allow for conditional execution and looping. The most widely recognized opener for WBF is unequivocally Microsoft Notepad from Microsoft Corporation. The native Windows utility cannot fully interpret the file's specific data structure. Windows supports many audio formats, but thorough editing or repair must be done with specialized tools. Let's find the specific program that links to the file signature. Right-click the WBF file and hit Open With. Test Microsoft Notepad if available. If not, choose a different app. That often leads to the solution. If the WBF file won't open, don't panic. We know the WBF format is specialized. The error means one key detail is missing. Let's run through our quick verification checklist to find it. First, identify the creator. Determine the associated program, e.g. Acronis, Samsung, or a financial program that created the WBF file. Next, use the original app's restore function. Launch the original application and use its file. Restore or file, import backup menu option. Finally, rename extract. Rename the file extension to zip or R and attempt to open it with a universal archive tool like 7-zip. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.